What if your money had an expiration date?
What if my bank, by law, could restrict me from buying gold or Bitcoin?
What if my account could be frozen not by a court, but by an algorithm?
This is not a fantasy. This is the central bank digital currency, CBDC.
And as an optimizer, I've analyzed the risk.
The infrastructure, FedNow, is already active in the US.
While 99% will accept this for convenience, I see the truth. It's a system of control.
Therefore, I refuse to build my future on this system. Instead, I am building my own defense. And in this analysis, I am not giving you theory.
I am giving you my personal blueprint, my escape plan.
I will show you Act 1, the trap they are hiding. Act 2, the control mechanism I discovered.
And most importantly, Act 3, my 3 financial exits, the exact plan I am using to protect my wealth.
The transition will not be forced. It will be convenient. So convenient, you will ask for it. It will be marketed as progress, instant payments, safer than cash.
But this new digital dollar is fundamentally different from the money in your bank account today. And it's the polar opposite of physical cash. Physical cash is anonymous. It is untraceable. It is permissionless. When I hold it, I own it. The money in your bank account is already digital, but it's a liability of a private bank. You are a creditor. The CBDC is different. It is a direct liability of the central bank, the government itself. This means the government no longer needs to ask your private bank to freeze your account. They can simply do it.
The infrastructure, FedNow, is the plumbing. It connects all major banks under one instant centralized system. First, they create the roads. Then, they tell everyone where to drive.
You are already being conditioned to accept this. Have you noticed? Physical bank branches are disappearing. ATMs are becoming scarce. Payment apps like Venmo and PayPal have normalized cashless transactions. And now you see the signs, no cash accepted. They are making physical cash inconvenient on purpose. Why?
Because there is one fatal flaw with cash. They cannot control it. They cannot track it to build a profile of your spending.
They cannot tax it automatically on every transaction. And they cannot stop you from pulling it out of the bank and putting it under your mattress.
The digital dollar solves all of those problems for them. And for us, it creates the perfect mechanism of control. The mechanism. Level 1, total surveillance.
The first level is obvious: surveillance. In a CBDC system, every transaction I make, every coffee, every political donation, every subscription is recorded on a central ledger.
My financial privacy is gone. My spending profile becomes an asset that they own.
But this isn't even the real danger. The real danger is level 2. The mechanism. Level 2. Programmable rules.
This is where the true power lies. The ability to program my money. Imagine the government wants to stimulate the economy. They could airdrop $1,000 into my wallet, but this money has an expiration date. Spend it in 30 days or it vanishes. You are forced to spend. Imagine they want to fight inflation.
They could program my money to apply a negative interest rate.
I can't escape it by pulling out cash because cash no longer exists. I am forced to lose.
Imagine they want to push a social agenda. Sorry, your funds are not authorized for the purchase of gasoline. Please use public transport.
Or worse, for us,
Sorry, your funds are blocked from purchasing Bitcoin or gold. When money is programmable, it stops being a tool of freedom and becomes a tool of social engineering.
And this brings us to level 3, the off switch.
What happens when I disagree with the system?
We don't have to imagine. We already have the case studies. Exhibit A, Canada, 2022.
During the trucker protests, the government, without a court order, froze the private bank accounts
Of peaceful protesters, and even people who simply donated $20 to them.
Exhibit B,
China.
The CCP already links their digital currency to a social credit system.
Criticize the government, and your ability to travel or use your money is restricted.
Exhibit C, Nigeria, 2023. When the government rolled out its CBDC and people refused to use it,
They limited cash withdrawals to less than $45 a day, forcing compliance.
That is the off switch. It's financial censorship.
the ability to erase me from the economy.
This is the trap. That is why my personal plan is not based on hoping for the best.
It is built on creating a fortress.
In a system designed for total control, my defense is built on owning assets that live outside that system.
I call it my financial fortress, and I am building it with 3 layers of defense. Exit 1, my analog defense, optimized gold. This is the foundation. It is the original offline store of value. It has existed for 5,000 years. It cannot be programmed. It cannot be erased by an algorithm. It is real, tangible money. It is the ultimate hedge against counterparty risk. But as an optimizer, I don't accept inefficiency. As I proved in my first analysis on gold, owning it physically comes with the 3 burdens: high custody fees, insurance costs, and the 5% hidden spread when you try to sell. In fact, if you want to see my 6-step system for optimizing gold, you can click the card in the top right corner right now. My hack is using tokenized redeemable digital gold, PAX G, to eliminate those burdens while keeping the physical defense. Exit 2, my digital defense, crypto self-custody. This is my most important exit for the new digital age. I cannot fight a digital trap with only an analog tool. I fight fire with fire. The digital dollar, CBDC, is centralized control. My answer is a decentralized asset like Bitcoin. But this is where I see most people make the fatal mistake. If you buy Bitcoin on Coinbase, Binance, or any other exchange, and leave it there, you do not own it. You are trusting a third party. Remember FTX? People thought they owned Bitcoin, but all they had was an IOU in a database. When the exchange collapsed, their money vanished. An exchange is just a digital bank that the government can freeze just the same. That is why my policy is self-custody. It is the only way to truly own your digital asset. This means moving your funds to a wallet where only you control the keys. For me, that means a cold wallet like Ledger or Treasure. It is a physical vault for my digital money. My motto is, my keys, my coins.
Exit 3, my tangible defense, fat fire assets.
This is my fat fire exit. The system can freeze my bank, but it cannot turn off my physical property. As an optimizer, I diversify into real-world assets that hold value regardless of what a central bank decides.
Real estate. Land and property are the oldest store of value.
They produce cash flow, rent, and hedge inflation.
Luxury collectibles. For me, this also includes assets like fine art, luxury watches, or fine wine.
These are global, portable markets completely detached from the digital banking system.
My defense is not one asset. It is a diversified fortress.
Analog, gold, digital, self-custody Bitcoin, and tangible, real estate.
This is my plan. It's the strategy I'm executing right now.
To help you start building yours, I've exported my personal plan into a free tactical guide. It's called the Digital Fortress Checklist. It's my one-page PDF detailing these 3 exits. It is 100% free. The link to download my personal checklist is in the description and the pinned comment. Get it and then come back, because we are not done. Let's review my plan. The digital dollar is a control trap disguised as convenience. While the 99% will walk into it, I am building my defense. My fortress is built on the 3 exits: the analog defense, optimized gold; the digital defense, self-custody crypto; and the tangible defense, real assets. Don't forget to download my free checklist from the description. And subscribe to Digital Dollar Wallet.
Because my next analysis is the deep dive you need for exit number 2.
I will be giving you my personal crypto hack, the step-by-step Art Deco guide to self-custody, and the 3 wallet mistakes that cost 99% of new owners everything. I'll see you in the next analysis.